What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to kind of do a review and update on the Chevy Silverado, the cold air intake, and a little bit into the Afm Disabler that I have in that thing. I've been getting a lot of questions on those videos, so I kind of want to tackle a couple of those questions. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe now for future uploads, and give this video a thumbs up if you would, or a thumbs down if you hate it. Either way, it helps me out. So let's get to the video. So my truck is a 2013 Chevy Silverado. It's got the 5.3 liter. And this guy is my Diablosport Sprint Afm Disabler, and all it does is plug into the OBD2 port or data link connector, whatever you want to call it. So on this model, that module only turns on when you start the engine. When you shut the engine off, it shuts off completely. So you don't have to worry about any battery drain. That's like the #1 question I've gotten on that video, is if it drains your battery. And another question I've gotten is if it increases its power or gas mileage. And the answer is no to both of those. It's not a programmer, so it does nothing for performance or horsepower, but and gas mileage. My gas mileage has stayed about the same. Now, in the description below, I'm going to link the video to the Afm Disabler, my Afm Disabler video, and I'll link the cold air intake video. So make sure you guys check those out. So now, moving on to the cold air intake. There she is. So probably the #1 question I get asked about this cold air intake is if it'll trigger a check engine light. And the answer to that one is no. This does nothing to trigger a check engine light. It uses all the factory stuff. Your mass airflow sensor, your breather hose, all that stuff. And the second question I've been asked is if it messes up your mass airflow sensor. It does not. It basically gets screwed into the same location, uses the same wiring harness. Doesn't affect anything drivability wise at all. And another thing people ask me is how long it took me to install this and if it was hard. It's a real easy job. Anybody can do it with basic hand tools. And it took me about an hour, I think. And another thing I get asked is if I noticed any kind of horsepower gain or gas mileage gain with the cold air intake. Answer to that, unfortunately, is not really. My gas mileage is basically the same. Horsepower, I really couldn't tell you. It may have gave me a slight gain, like 1 to 5 horsepower, but you're really not going to notice that. But anyways, guys, I think I'm going to call this one a video. Hopefully I answered a couple of your questions. If there's something I missed that you have a question about, comment below and I'll try to answer it. Just any questions about this truck, even if it's not the cold air intake or the Afm Disabler module. Don't be afraid to ask me some questions down there. Even if you have questions about the big block dart, ask them down in the comments below as well, and check those videos out. I've got a whole playlist on the build of my 73 Dodge Dart Swinger big block. So check that out. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Click the thumbs up or the thumbs down if you think this video sucks. Either way helps me out. But yeah, guys, I will see you on the next one. And don't forget, I'll leave links down below in the description to all these videos. So go and click those and check those out real quick. Give those a thumbs up. Comment on those as well if you'd like. And yeah, guys, I will see you on the next one.